Ishita, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA, and a big congratulations for bagging this show.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so Ishita, tell me, when we saw the promo and when we saw, it was like that, you were totally made for this character, the way it was shown that how mature this character is and, the loss which we suffered. But if I can ask you, how was the process of you bagging the show, if you can say anything?
So when I got a call for the show and I got to know about Kajol's character, I got really excited, firstly because it's a Bengali character. And, there were a lot of things that, I felt that, like you said, it's written for me. I felt like, it was something that I could really connect to. So I got really very excited. Plus, Leena ji has written this show. She's a very, very big writer back in Kolkata and here in Bombay. So I was like, oh my God, I'll get to be a part of a script which I am 100% sure is going to be so awesome and great. Plus, colors, back with colors again. For the third time and working with Optimistic. First time I'm working with them, but I've heard so much about them. So all in all, I was like, there is no way I'm going to let this go. And yeah, that's how, this happened and it worked out. And here we are. It's almost like 2-3 days and the show's going to release. So I'm really excited.
Right. We do know a bit and pieces about the character which you are portraying, but anything which you want to say to the viewers about this character?
In this character, what I really like about her is that generally what you see in a show, if a girl is very nice, she's nice and she doesn't stand up for herself or, even if she's upset, she will never say to the other person ki, oh, mujhe is baat ko leke bura laga. But this character is not like that. She's very, very real, She will get upset about things. She will get insecure about things. She will talk about it, she'll stand up for the wrong thing. At the same time, she's a very nice person, She really loves her family. She has all those values that you typically look at in an Indian girl, So keeping all that in mind, she still is a human, She still has those emotions. So I think I really like that about her. That, she's not bechari. She is, may not be street smart. She may not be very cunning. But she's definitely not bechari. So I really like that about her.
Right. And, the fact that, one of the things which we notice about the character, that she, a lot of responsibility comes on her shoulder because of one unfortunate incident. And, while portraying this character, has it ever happened in life that, suddenly you, became this, the big member of the family and the responsibilities on your shoulder? So in your real life, have you ever gone through this phase?
I think yes. I think as individuals, like the women of today, we are taking care of our family, our parents, and it's no longer, ki shaadi ho gayi, chale gaye, and leave your parents behind. I think I can say that for all of us, all of us are like that. So somewhere I think that's why the kind of shows that are being made, the kind of protagonists that we are showing these days are very different from what we would show earlier. It's, of course, we have those melodramatic, typical shows also, but we also have this. So yeah, like that, of course, I have where, I am very proud that, I'm there for my parents and I can do whatever I am doing for them. And, this is what I want to tell others also, like all the women out there that, you should be independent, you should be educated, you should be working and taking care of people around you. I think it's really good.
It's a 9:30 slot, like a very competitive slot. So are you nervous, excited? And if you're confident, what is the one reason you're confident about this show?
See, I am, of course, very nervous. Like you said, a lot of shows are coming, a lot of new shows are coming, which looks very good. In Colors itself, we have so many shows, but yeah, the slot time is very competitive. But having said that, I'm very confident, because, I have seen the shows written by Leena ji before and they are really good. When I'm shooting for it also, sometimes you understand, right? And when you're shooting yourself, you read the scenes and you feel the connect, So I believe if we feel it here on set while shooting, I'm sure the audiences should feel it. I mean, keeping my fingers crossed, you never know. But hoping and praying that they like this show and they like what is simple story. It's not a very rocket science kuch nahi hai. It's a life about a girl, a simple girl and the circumstances that she faces. But definitely people are going to relate to it because it's something that can happen to anyone.
Right. Okay, last two questions I wanted to ask. Harshad is there, Nishant is there. And although I know you people can't talk about much, but somewhere down the line, it is going to be eventually a love triangle also. It's going to be a part. So how is shooting with, Harshad? Nishant, I believe, have not started shooting, but when you came to know, what were your interactions with these two people?
I think Harshad and I've shot a lot with Harshad now, and we instantly clicked. I mean, He's very cool and it's very comfortable to work with him. On the first day itself, I was like, I remember going back and thinking, oh my God, it's going to be fun working with him because he's a brilliant actor and he's super cool. So it's always nice to have people around you who are very chilled out because, we are working for 12, 13 hours. You need to be with a unit who thinks like you. In fact, not just him, all the actors. Mishkat I've not shot with before, but I know of him because we have a common friend. So I had no idea he was doing this show. We somehow didn't speak, and when I saw him on set, I was like, "Oh my God, it's you!" So I was very happy. It'll be good fun shooting with him also.
Yeah. Okay. The last show which you did for Colors Only, your chemistry with Pearl was really, really cherished. And whatever happens is that whenever you do a new show, that fans, compared to this chemistry and everything happens. So how much are you prepared for this, or you do take this thing with a pinch of salt?
I take it with a pinch of salt because I completely understand. They're so used to seeing, you with Pearl because we did that show for almost a year, and people really like the chemistry. And they're still like, even today, I have so many people messaging me and sending and making those videos. I really enjoy it, and I think it's going to take time because I remember when I shot with Pearl and his previous show, like the show he did before my show. There was a lot of the same thing happened with me. They were like, "Oh my God, no, we want to see the same pairing." I think it happens. You just have to, you get used to it, and it's nice, sweet actually that they, love you so much that they don't want to leave you.
Right. Okay, last question I want to ask you, that apart from this show, we really love, all your, Insta videos with you and Vatsal, as a couple which you post. So, and people are, they somewhere want also you and Vatsal to, collab for a project. So anything that you people discuss over this thing or, anything which you people discuss when you receive such requests?
Yes, definitely. In fact, we have been waiting for a script or something that we can do work on together. Because we really enjoy, like I met him on the sets, and after that we have done just a couple of projects together, not a long one. So I'm hoping that, very soon, of course right now I'm busy with this, he's busy with his shoot. But maybe in the near future, if we get to work on something together, I would be very, very happy.
Okay. And on this note, anything which you want to say to your fans, whenever they watch your show, what should they expect and what should they keep in their mind and heart while watching the show?
ये एक simple कहानी about a simple girl Kajol who's from Kolkata. So you'll get to see a lot of Bengali elements, which is very special for me because I am able to add and contribute a lot to the story because I am from, almost kind of from Kolkata. And you will really love the relationship that she has with her father, with her siblings, with her mother. So I think for all of you who are going to watch this show, you will relate a lot to her and her family. And I think you'll understand what she's going through. So please do watch. It's going to release on the 23rd of August, which is right around the corner, 9:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday only on Colors. And please give us our love because we're really working hard and I really, really hope that you guys like it.
Thank you so much, Ishita, for this lovely interview. And I do hope that this should do wonders and it does beautiful things for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mishkat Verma, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.